There are many bike pump products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bike pumps from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Mohigia Bike Pump. Rating 4.4. Upgrade digital gauge. Upgrade the floor air pump with a digital display gauge, which includes 4 pressure unit modes that can be switched. PSI bar KPA kg/cm2, providing real-time tire pressure display for easy readability. Equipped with dual valves for Presta and Schrader, you can easily inflate bike tires without adding an adapter. Inflation accessory box. The bike pump has an inflation adapter box including 3 adapters needles for inflatables and balls, easy storage, and portability. The quality material bicycle pump is equipped with seamless steel tubing, a widened T-shaped handle, a high-tensile rubber hose, and a wide base, providing lasting durability while ensuring stable thrust. Number 4. Lezyne Bike Pump. Rating 4.4. The Classic Floor Drive 3.5 from Lezyne is an elegant, classically designed bicycle floor pump that combines precision engineering with high performance, making it an essential tool among bike accessories. It allows for quick and efficient tire inflation, saving you time and effort. This air pump is great for road bikes, track bikes, fixed gear bikes. Designed for high-pressure applications, the Classic Floor Drive 3.5 bike tire pump features an extremely accurate, easy-to-read 3.5-inch gauge tested and calibrated in-house for superior accuracy. This oversized gauge allows for precise pressure readings, ensuring that you can inflate your tires accurately and with confidence. Number 3. Vibrelli Bike Pump. Rating 4.6. Vibrelli's bike pump with gauge is built and tested for high-pressure precision. The bicycle pump pressure gauge is large, accurate, and easy to read. Presta valve bike pump also inflates Schrader valves with a simple flick of a switch. The rapid T-valve on the bike tire pump seals strong with no annoying leaks. With a strong steel barrel and reinforced handle, Vibrelli's bicycle tire pump is tested for accuracy to high pressure. It's the perfect road bike pump. The bike air pump comes with an emergency glueless puncture kit, so you don't get caught on the road or trail with a flat. Includes ball inflation needle and valve for inflatable devices, so you can use your bicycle pump for pool toys and sports ball. Number 2. BV Bicycle Pump. Rating 4.6. Comfortable handle because of an ergonomically designed air pump for the bike handle. 160 psi high-pressure air pump for balls and bikes for easy pumping even for high pressures. Easy to carry. Only 16.25 inches. Easy to use and carry. Twin valve design easily switch between Presta and Schrader valves by simply reversing the components in the valve head. No compromises. We invest a lot in the high quality and reliability of our products, but unfortunately, we cannot completely rule out problems. If you have any problems with our product, please contact our customer service and we will find a solution for you. Number 1. Schwinn Bike Pump. Rating 4.6. Pumping to 120 psi, Air Center Plus features a user-friendly mid-barrel gauge, comfortable co-molded T-handle grips, and a 26-inch rubber-lined hose. Compatible with Schrader and Presta valves, the dual easy indicator pump head turns green to signify readiness and red when not prepared for use. A wide steel base ensures stability during pumping, facilitating ease of use and enhancing overall longevity, with a base with measuring 10.75 inches. 38mm diameter high-volume steel barrel is 21.5 inches tall to offer premium performance. Included for enhanced versatility are sports ball needle and an inflation cone. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.